one, go.
Howdy, my name is Yuvansh,
Howdy, my name is Abraham.
Howdy, my name's Arno.
and we are Kinetic. Kinetic is an AI platform that turns your data and a natural language prompt into a trained machine learning model. Imagine you have a data set and a question you want answered, and maybe you want to predict customer churn or classify medical images. Traditionally, you need weeks to research which machine learning model to use, learn Python, and compare results. Kinetic eliminates all of that. You simply need to upload your data and describe what you need in plain English. And our AI, powered by NVIDIA Nemotron Nano, analyzes that, selects optimal model architectures, writes the code, trains multiple models in parallel, and returns a complete comparison with visualizations and the answer to your query. Uh, for the next section, as we go into the login page, Arnav will.
So from here, we'll start the main application. So we'll basically log into the application. There's a register and a login feature as well. This will take us to the dashboard where we can see compute jobs. So for example, let's make a new example. So example, great job. And this basically allows us to define new AIs or new models. So step one is simple. We upload a data set. So for example, you can upload CSVs or images, zips of images, data sets. So for this example, we'll use a cancer data set where it will predict it will predict cancer predictions. It will basically predict the chance of cancer based off different data points. Next, we can just describe what we want in plain English. So we can say predict the chances of cancer based on this data. Our AI reads that and we also have to upload. Our AI reads that and it understands and it chooses the right approach to basically classify the data basically without the users needing to know the ML jargon. So step three is basically what we use where we use Nemotron, NVIDIA's Nemotron, to generate multiple complete production-ready Python scripts. So currently it's generating a prompt, and we will hit launch training right now. And NVIDIA's Nemotron basically has different model architecture. So instead of guessing which model will work the best, we generate a model zoo automatically. So here it is telling us which models failed or which models did it correctly. So here we have two models which did it correctly.
All right, so now kind of going into the results. Here you can see each model has the sort of accuracy and loss sort of as sort of metrics to actually evaluate the models. Additionally, if a model does fail, which does happen from time to time, you can simply press retry with AI and it will try sort of to fix the code and rerun it again. Now, obviously, you will notice that our current evaluation metrics are a little bit baseline. So something we did sort of implement to try to accommodate for this is a comparison model feature. The goal behind this is to hopefully add a little more sort of depth beyond just accuracy and loss by being able to compare the models and sort of get a better idea of which one of these models really sort of fare the best against the problem you're trying to solve. Here, there's a few more metrics that you can sort of look at to get a better idea of how they actually compare. And one more thing we did add to really try to help out the user and gain sort of a solid understanding of the model is you do have a chatbot that you can talk with and just ask questions about sort of like, say, for example, how could I better evaluate the random forest model? And basically, once you ask it that, it'll just give you a response and just an explanation, which you can sort of read over to just get a better understanding, right? Because this is sort of for users that are a little new to machine learning. And anyways, other than that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching and have a great day.